Hey guys, for today's video, moadto ta sa usa ka book launch sa The Tales of Agora diri sa Cebu City. Og mao ni ang mga pangitabo og atong na-meet ang author mismo sa maong novel, The Tales of Agora. Book launch sa name mo?
Wow, okay, yeah, I'll buy it, I'll buy it.
So, his new book, Agora, no? There's a Mercado building on the ground floor. On the ground floor ba, Agora building. So, ikaw nag-publish din nan. Okay, nice. So, ano ito? Story sa imong book? Ano lang?
Bukan, Reg. It's about it's a book nga written for my niece, like 2 years old na siya niya. I just want na maka-experience siya sa mga na-experience ako ba. Kaya wala man siya dito sa Philippines, na siya sa US then. I just want her to know or experience provincial life from Argao. I came from Argao man.
I see. So, if you wanna visit, this is along Jones Avenue across Cebu University Hospital on the ground floor of Mercado building. So, yes. Bisita lang siya dire. Lost Books.
Speaking of stories, I cannot wait to welcome you everyone to our man of the hour, our debut author. Here he is. Let me do a video. What is that? You have to like.
Take two.
And also your book.
Hi everyone. I am Vince Aaron Omega and you can call me Vinsoy. Close naman tatay. Nangali mo. Buwan. Writing process. Maybe nag-start jud siya ang story like years before na. Like I didn't make the story without thinking mag-write ko. Like sometimes like on commute or transit or living life lang as a regular citizen kay mag-think to of something kanang crazy like sa palibot and then last year something kanang huge sa akong life ang ni-change like buwan ako fresh I think fresh graduate pa 27 naman ko na-stop na gano'n akong time sa college graduate pero kuan siya kanang unlike others kay di ba kita mo move out from our house sa amo ang case kay kung parents ang i-move out then ako ang sister o ang iyang family ni move out sila sa house so ako na lang nabili and then murag na senti ato nga time last year jud to kay murag
Ug mao na to guys, if you want to buy his book, The Tales of Agora, bisita lang ang The Lost Books sa may Jones Avenue at bang sa Cebu Doctors University Hospital. Yes, this is once again Ray for Trip ni Ray. Bye.